weekend was the last time I talked to you. But anyways, today's Saturday, January the, what is it, 30th, the 29th, one of the two, I don't know. But we got the 4840, did a little work on this the other night. Nothing major, but we're gonna go up there and get it hooked onto the pick right manure spreader. So head on up the road here and get her hooked up and haul some manure today. Looks pretty close to me. Just got this spreader a few weeks ago. Used it a good bit, I think, especially out there on the other side of town. I think they've hauled a lot of manure with it, but it seems to be a good machine so far. This one isn't like our big coon was. We got rid of that one, but this one's actually a chain driven, so I might be able to show you back here. There's actually a big chain in there. These bars right there, they move on a big chain and bring the manure back and bring it into these big vertical spinners. But our other one had a big hydraulic ram up here in front, and it would just shove it all the way out. But this one seems to be working pretty good for us. So just one-handed stuff here. Oh. Anyways, Dad called me on the radio, and he acted like all the manure's pretty froze, so I don't think we're gonna be able to do much with it today. But we'll at least get this spreader hooked back up. So I gotta do some hydraulic connections, PTO, and get this jack out of the way. I guess I can climb up here and show you inside there. See, that chain just drags that stuff out of there. Not using it today, so we don't have to worry about being froze up. I'm just gonna get realigned here and get it back in the barn. But actually, I might not be able to do that because we don't have a whole lot of room here to work with. So I wonder if this can go back anymore. Yeah, we can probably get that 4840 in here a good bit, but the real question is this 4520 gonna get started? Let these two warm up. I think I'm gonna help George get a little feeding done this morning. At least get the feed wagon loaded up. So I think it's like 12 or 13 degrees out here today, but there really isn't any wind, so it's not too bad. So I got the heated jacket on, that helps. But anyways, let these two get warmed up. Well, we're loading feed up. George is loading it up. I'm just sitting here in the tractor watching the scale. So anyways, get this loaded up here, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. We're looking for 4,500, I believe. We got 3,400, so a couple more scoops. All right, well, I just pressure washed this old engine out of the 4620. This is the one that locked up, and we switched the tractor over to a 466. But anyways, Dad's having me just take this thing apart so we can get it down to the bare block, and then we can maybe get it sent off and get it fixed. But anyways, that's what I'm working on here, so I might set you guys up time lapse or something here. Alright guys, well, I think I'm going to quit here for tonight. So I got a lot of stuff off here, but and also made a mess whenever we flipped it up. But I'm going to get some more of those pig mats and throw down on here before I go home. But other than that, I will probably see you tomorrow.